brought to you by Nakshatra, representing Veera House. International news. Gaza health authorities say Israeli fire in Gaza City kills 70. National news. Defense ordered government to stay. Congress forms coordination committee after Himachal political crisis. Thank you.
Everyone, today's state and sport news is brought to you by SHURA representing DHEERA House. State news. Restarting of old pension scheme, government employees to go on indefinite strike from May 1. Sport news. Indian football. India's squad for Dharmasala test. KL Rahul ruled out Jasprit Bumrah to return. Washington Sundar released to play Ranji Trophy. Tag is Bachi but Khalid from State representing Veera. Weather report. Maximum temperature 35 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Thank you. Today's thought is brought to you by SHURA Great Jasper. Thought. Don't get discouraged. It's often the last key that opens the lock. I repeat once again. Don't get discouraged. It's often the last key that opens the lock.
Rashida, representing Veera House. Word, crackle. It is a verb meaning hold on, hold to please collapse. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I am Anvita, grade 7 Topaz, here to share some amazing facts. Tomatoes are fruits, not vegetables. Snake smells with its tongue. A chicken once lived for 18 months without its head. Thank you.
Hey everyone, today GK questions are brought to you by Kavya of grade 6 Jasper representing Veera House. Question for grade 1 and 2. Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Indira Gandhi.
No, you didn't pick the correct answer and the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru ji. Question for grade 3 and 4. What city is the Statue of Liberty in? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is New York City. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5 and 6. Gidda is the folk dance of... Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is Punjab. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7 and 8. Which country are the Giza pyramids in? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is Egypt. Let us appreciate that. Question for grade 9. Martyrs' Day is celebrated every year on... Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is January 30. Let us appreciate that. Thank you.
The backbone of families and communities. They provide care, support, and nutrition to their families and are essential to the development of children. Women also play a significant role in community building and often take on leadership roles in community organizations. For centuries, women have been regulated to the sidelines, subjected to discrimination and marginalization. But in recent years, however, there has been a growing awareness of importance of women in society. Thank you.